Yep, we're at it again. We're working on the RV. Hey, Guillaume?
What?
We're working on the RV!
What the RV?
May 22nd, the RV's been a driveway for a week. We got a late spring, so it didn't do it before. We got 1 month, just a little bit less month window time to do what we have to do before leaving for my wife's vacations, which will be in the RV, of course. So let's see what we have to do. But first, let's get some supplies. About 24 hours of works, and the garage is already a mess. Well, it's always the same when you do stuff. I end up spending at least a day or two just putting stuff back together. Okay, sorry, a little cold. So what am I doing again? To the RV. Well, we like it. Works very well. Needs a little more updating. Yeah, I know. Last year, remember, we painted the red stripes there. All this was red. In fact, felt there was a little bit too much red. But we looked and see that all the RVs that we see made the last 10 years or so, the white window sash, nobody has that anymore. So I just started an experiment the other day. The experiment that went very bad because all the paint chipped there. That means I have to repaint this section. But we tried flat black and it works very well. So I started taping this. We're gonna probably paint this too. I don't like that big white door. So this will be black too. This, maybe this. This was my first experiment. Flat black allows a lot of mistakes. This I didn't even patch, and I just tried it. I'm gonna patch it because there was a bump. I just removed the bump and painted. And this. And of course the same on the other side. Once that's done, we're gonna fix that. There's a bunch of scratch here. I'm gonna groove them. I'm gonna make sure they're well glued on the back. And because there's one place it moves here and here. That means delimitation. I have to fix that. I know what about it because I did the other side and it was very bad. So once it's done, we were looking at colors because the white is gonna go too. There's not a lot of RVs that are color, and I think this one will make it. So there's gonna be, I don't know what I was gonna show there. Tried several colors, even went to a dealer to compare. So that's the color we're gonna use. It won't be car paint. It will remain tintable, I guess you can say. Tintable Rust-Oleum or Tremclad. Here Tremclad is a better deal than Rust-Oleum, but yeah, that's gonna be shiny. Now you say I'm crazy, Rust-Oleum. Well, this is Rust-Oleum. Now it's a little bit hazy, but all the brown there is Rust-Oleum. It held up well, considering. And this time when I'm finished, I plan of putting a clear over it. So this is a bit too long, I guess, as a video. I'm gonna show you. The problem I run into when I was in Florida is that spring there. There's supposed to be 2 springs. One of them broke. Tried to get it fixed there in Pompano. And the guy was saying, oh, this spring is $75 plus a ton of shipping plus installation. I felt like he wanted to, screw me. So I decided to skip on his offer and order them on eBay, and they were $35 a pair. Shipping is $40 though, because it's coming, across the frontier. So I'm gonna replace that spring and the other one and keep this one as a spare. And eventually, if I feel like it, I'll change them all. But this is another project once. So that's where I'm gonna stop today. I'm just too exhausted. I had a problem with the brown paint. Brown paint didn't stick very well. I'm gonna have to sand everything before I repaint the brown. Same with the gold there, but I'm gonna try to just paint this section. And this, of course, is gonna be coming beige. This is all gonna be beige, and the brown is gonna be a little bit darker too. I want it more like a chocolate brown, and those posts also gonna be coming black. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna do it. Probably it'll be easier to pull them down and paint them off. So that's it for today. Sorry, not a long show, but I'm dead. I gotta try, probably this window. Just try with flat black paint and trying to do it with a paintbrush or something, because taping takes so much time. And, we decided to did some improvement major last year, which nobody saw, but it's okay. It's too long. My new experience as a video. Just exhausted. I got pains, and I know I don't want to hear that. So that's it. Too long again. Too long. Short clips. Short clips. We decided to do some other modification.